Plant FAQs. Parodia magnifica, the ball cactus. What is Parodia magnifica? The Parodia magnifica, also known as the ball cactus, has captivated me with its unique form and resilience. Over the years of caring for this charismatic cactus, I've learned a lot about its needs and quirks. Here, I'll share some insights to help you cultivate your own Parodia magnifica. See more 74 species in genus Parodia at monsteraholic.com. Light, where the sunshine meets the spine. Parodia magnifica thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Imagine it basking on the edge of a desert clearing, receiving dappled light through desert foliage. Think south or east-facing windows for indoor plants. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the cactus. Direct sun exposure. While Parodia magnifica can tolerate some direct sun, especially in cooler mornings, be cautious in intense heat. Signs of sunburn include yellow or brown patches. If you notice this, provide some afternoon shade or filtered light. Mimicking the seasons. During winter, when natural light diminishes, you might need to supplement with grow lights to maintain a minimum of 6 hours of bright light daily. Standing out from the crowd. Compared to its close relative, the Noto cactus Lenninghazii, also known as the peanut cactus, the Parodia magnifica prefers brighter light. The Noto cactus Lenninghazii can tolerate lower light conditions. Watering, finding the perfect rhythm. Parodia magnifica, like most cacti, thrives on neglect when it comes to watering. Overwatering is the enemy. Think of it as a desert dweller accustomed to long periods without rain. Soak and dry. Water thoroughly when the soil feels completely dry to the touch. Allow excess water to drain freely from the pot's drainage holes. Never let the cactus sit in water. Seasonal shifts. Water more frequently during spring and summer, perhaps weekly, and reduce watering significantly in winter, once a month or even less. A tale of two cacti. When compared to the Rebutia, another popular cactus genus, the Parodia magnifica requires slightly less frequent watering. Rebutias tend to be a bit more forgiving of occasional overwatering. Soil, the foundation for growth. Parodia magnifica needs well-draining soil to prevent root rot. Imagine a loose, airy mix that allows water to drain quickly. DIY delight. Create your own cactus mix by combining equal parts potting soil, perlite, and sand. Ready-made solutions. Opt for commercially available cactus mix formulated for optimal drainage. A matter of preference. While some recommend adding a small amount of organic matter to the soil mix, I found that Parodia magnifica thrives in a purely inorganic mix. Potting up your Parodia magnifica. Choosing the right container. Select a pot with drainage holes slightly larger than the cactus itself. Plastic pots are a good option as they allow for better airflow and prevent the soil from drying out too quickly. Room to grow. As your Parodia magnifica matures, repot it into a slightly larger container every few years to accommodate its growth. Root considerations. When repotting, handle the cactus gently to avoid damaging the roots. Blooming beauty, a reward for patience. The Parodia magnifica's true showstopper is its vibrant bloom. Imagine a crown of bright yellow flowers adorning the cactus's apex. Flowering season. Expect to witness these blooms in late spring or early summer, depending on your climate. Patience is key. Younger Parodia magnifica might take several years to mature enough to flower. A comparison of blooms. The flowers of Parodia magnifica are larger and more vibrant than those of its cousin, the Noto cactus Lenninghazii, which tend to be smaller and have a more subdued color. Common issues and how to address them. Mealybugs. These tiny, white, sap-sucking insects can infest your Parodia magnifica. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Fungal diseases. Overwatering can lead to fungal diseases. If you notice brown, mushy patches on the cactus, remove the affected areas and adjust your watering habits. Slow growth. Lack of sunlight or inadequate nutrients can hinder growth. Ensure your Parodia magnifica receives enough light and consider a weak, balanced fertilizer application once a month during the growing season. By following these tips, you can cultivate a thriving Parodia magnifica that will bring you joy for years to come. Remember, with proper care, this captivating cactus will reward you with its unique form and beautiful blooms.